Hi everyone. So today we are going to do one of the Leetcode problem of the daily challenge. So the problem is what is perfect square. I think this problem is very straightforward. So basically, if a number is a perfect square, it will equal to a number multiplied by itself. So the brute force technique will be we will do a loop and then loop from 1 to the number, and then each time we will check um, itself multiplied by itself, it will be equal to the target number or not. But this kind of approach will be too slow in order to pass the test case. So we will do another approach, which will be used binary search approach. So we can change the way of thinking to find the square. We are just trying to find a number between a range. So for example, we are trying to find if a number trying to find like if an array contains a certain number. And this array is a sorted array. So we will basically pick the number in the middle, the middle index number, and then check if it is greater than or less than the target value. So if it is greater than the target value, we will use the index from the middle to the end. We also will search the range between the starting point and the middle. So in here we also find doing the same kind of approach, and in here we just need to check another condition just for multiplication and then equal certain value. So we will start to begin to coding the binary search approach. So first, we will consider this case. So if a number equals 1, we will not in a loop, we just return true for that. And then we will start to initialize the starting and ending number or the index or the holder. So in this case, we will call it left and right, or you can call it start and end, or the low and high. So in here, I will call it left. So it will be start from the 1 and then to the target number. So the right will be equal to the none. So then we will do a while loop. So the left and right will be our start condition. We will check until left and right, left past the right. So in here we don't need an array, so we just use the number itself as the target. So first we'll calculate the middle index or the middle number. So it will be equal to the left plus the right minus left divided by 2. So it will be in the middle of the left and right. And then we will need to check if this number multiplied by itself is equal to the target number. But we will not use the multiplication because it might cause the overflow. So in here we will just check if the number divided by the mid equal mid, and also we need to check the number mid equal 0, because division might end up with like 0.5 and it will be run down. So we also need to consider the case that the remainder also equal to 0, and the quotient of the division is also equal to itself. In this case, we already checked that it is a perfect square, so we will return true in this case. Else if it is not the number we want to find out it belongs to the left region or the right region, and we will move the cursor or the point to update to that region, and we will calculate a new mid value in that region. So we will check if divided by the mid is greater than the mid. So in this case, it will be if the number is greater than the number times itself. So the target number will be greater than the number we pick. So it means the number we pick is too small. So in here we will start to move the left equal to the mid plus 1. Because we already checked mid in the first case, so it will be between the mid plus 1 and to the right. If this case, if it is not greater than, it means it is smaller than. So we will need to update the right equal to the mid minus 1, because mid is already checked, so it should be smaller than the mid is smaller than the mid is greater than, because the first case is the mid itself is less than. In this case, will be mid itself is greater than or equal to. So we will move the upper bound to the middle. So it will be the first area. And when the left and right cursor, the right cursor, we will pick the loop, and then after looping all the area, we cannot find the result. So we will be return false. It's because we did not find any match condition. So let's see if we pass or not. So the base case is 16, and let's take another. Okay, so we pass all the case, and that's it for today. Thank you. If you like the video, please give a like and subscribe.